Hey guys, this is my 2009 Trail Digger bike review. I'm gonna be doing my Black Ops video right now. Next, it's my purple lip stock Eastern spokes. Came with a bike. Stock Eastern hub. I'll show you where it says Eastern. There's an Eastern sign out there if you guys can see it. Danscom sticker. My 25 tooth sprocket, chrome purple. That's an animal. I don't know what. Stock Eastern pedals. Eastern see-through PC pedals. There's a 9.2 driver in the back. Got a Rockstar sticker and a Fox Rides too. Same lip in the front. Same spokes. Stock Eastern front hub. Got your Eastern Trail Digger forks. Eastern Trail Digger bars. Your Eastern stem. Eastern bikes. Plastic seat. Your frame. Or my frame, whatever. Got the Primo. You can see it better on this. Primo see-through grips. Very grippy. They do give you blistered stuff, so I ride gloves. I don't have pegs on right now. I usually ride left. But yeah, those are my bars that I'm probably going to put on 2009 Trail Diggers. And that's my bike check. Thanks.